Today I'm going to show you how to do microchanneling. I really love microchanneling, especially if you're a beginner. Microchanneling for me is a lot less painful than micro rolling. So what I'm going to do is show you today how to use this microchanneling device. What you're going to do is you're going to use your stem cell solution. You want to make sure that the skin is very moist with your solution while you are using your microchanneling device. The microchanneling device is a stamp. So open it up here and you can see, you can't even see the needles in it. What you are going to do is push on it and the little gray part here is going to move back and you're going to get a very measured amount of needle applied into the skin. So this is the way that you do it. You're going to go up and down the skin. I'll just show you by doing a quickie treatment. And then you're going to turn your device and you're going to go up vertically up the skin. Now, those who have a little more pain tolerance, and still I don't feel it's painful, but you want to get a little more action out of it, the way to do it, the more advanced way to do this is to actually do repeated movements. So as I'm going up the face, I'm going to do one spot several times. Now, if I want to work in the nasolabial fold, I'm going to spend some time in there. I want to make sure and have plenty of my stem cell solution on that area. And same goes if I want to get around the lips and where I get lip lines. I'm going to do repeated movements bouncing into the skin, firmly but gently into the skin. And I'll do the same if I'm working up the face. I'm going to do several stampings in one place. You can do it with either hand. Now I don't have any stem cell solution up there, so I'm going to get up here and get those crow's feet really quick for you so you can see that. I'm just going to get in there. And so the nice thing about the stamp is that you can get in and redo, push in areas where you have more lines that you want to work in more often to really bring up a redness, really kind of wound the skin. Microneedling is all about collagen induction. We call it a collagen induction therapy. So the nice little wounds that we're making to the skin are what is going to induce that collagen production. When we add in the stem cells, that's when we super produce collagen. So it's going to really help our body to produce that collagen and get a thicker, plumper skin in here. We want to get that collagen layer so it's up and nice and juicy. When we do that and the skin is plumper, it has a lifting effect. So it's going to make the skin feel a look, and it is going to be actually firmer, because if you think of a raisin is shrivelly and dry and saggy. If you plump it up with water, it's firmer because it's lifting everything up. So as we get more collagen layer in our skin, the skin's going to get plumper and it's going to lift up and be firmer. So there's two ways that we firm the skin. One is with microcurrent, and that's by exercising the muscles. The other way is by inducing collagen in the skin and getting a thicker collagen layer, and that will plump the skin and lift it up. So really, if you really want to go after firming the skin, you're going to do both. You're going to do your needling devices, you're going to do the Time Master Pro, those are the things that induce more collagen, and then you're also going to use the Claire Blend Mini, which is a microcurrent device, to actually exercise those muscles. But today, this is just to be a short little quick lesson to show you why I like to use the microchanneling device. It's less painful than rolling and you have a bit more control. It makes a different kind of, oh, I just dropped mine. Makes a different kind of a hole in the skin. Where your needle is rolling in and rolling out, it's going to make a hole that's more of a V shape. When you're using your stamper, your holes are going to be more straight up and down. So there's debate about which is better, to have a hole this shape or to have a hole this shape. I really don't think it matters all that much. We're just inducing a wound. We're putting some really nice stem cells in there, and we're stimulating a lot of collagen production. So I hope this little video will help you with your microchanneling device. If you have any questions, just reach out to me on live chat at artofskincare.com. Thanks.